Om Swastiastu, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. In this video, I will explain about coping with corrosion. First, let me introduce my name is Kevin Altana Sritonga, with name 23055311073 from Metallurgy Class C. The lecturer, Prof. Dr. Jagorda Gede Tirtanindya, STMT Engineering. Book reference: the book Metallurgy for the Non-Metallurgists, 2nd edition, edited by Arthur C. Reactor. Contents: Point 1, the mechanisms of corrosion. Point 2, forms of corrosion. Point 3, corrosion prevention of mitigation. Coping with corrosion. The word corrode is derived from the Latin corrode, which means to gnaw away. While corrosion can occur in many different forms, it is most generally defined as a chemical or electrochemical reaction between a material and its environment that produce a deterioration or change of the material and its properties. The relevant metal is less chemically stable than the ore, and under the right condition might deteriorate back to its more stable or right condition due to corrosion. For example, iron ore or iron oxide is refined to produce iron and steel, which can revert back to harder iron oxides or glass in the presence of oxygen and water in the picture below. Indeed, corrosion is a big problem in many types of systems. For example, corrosion is a major contributor to the deterioration of vital infrastructure, such as water system in the picture below. Mitigation involves comprehensive corrosion control programs, which are a small fraction of the total cost to replace buried infrastructure. The mechanisms of corrosion. Metal corrosion involves a branch of chemistry called electrochemistry, which is study of two basic types of reactions: chemical change that produce electrical or current flow, and conversely of electrical currents that cause chemical change. Electrochemical processes require both oxidation and reduction action in order to maintain the conservation of electrical change. This process occurs in electrochemical cells, which consists of an anode and a cathode immersed in electrode or general chemical surroundings. Metal corrosion is basically the electrochemical process of oxidation and reduction in the picture below. Oxidation occurs at a site on the metal surface where metal atoms dislodge from the solid and enter the environment or solution as a positive ion or cation. Corrosion cell and battles. Both oxidation and reduction reaction must takes for corrosion to occur. During metal corrosion, areas over which the anodic and cathodic reaction occur may vary greatly from areas a few atoms apart. The areas extending to hundreds of square meters. For example, consider the example of two metals, iron and zinc, parallelly immersed in a weak mineral acid in south in the picture below. Both metals occur from the liquid, which by definition is a concentration of H plus ions. However, if the two metals are immersed in the same acid and electrically connected in the picture below, then an important change occurs. The oxidation reaction of zinc hydrochloric acid is stronger than that of iron, which means the more electrons move up to the zinc electrodes than on the iron electrode. That is, the electric potential or voltage of the zinc electrode becomes more negative or relative to the iron. Galvanic series. It also introduced two concepts of the oxiding power or potential of different metals. The oxiding power of a metal, it is the ability to build up voltage or electromotive force from removal or addition of electrons by the electrochemical process of oxidation or reduction. Passivity. Essentially, passivity refers to the loss of chemical reactivity experienced by quantum metals and others under particular environmental conditions. Passivity, although difficult, the difference can be conventionally described by categorizing The behavior of metals that show this initially works. First, consider the behavior of when can be called an active metal that is a metal that doesn't show positive effects. The lower part of the curve in the picture below illustrates the behavior of such a metal. Forms of corrosion. During metal corrosion, the areas over which the anodic and cathodic reaction occur can vary greatly. This result is various form of corrosion such as uniform attack, heating, and graphic corrosion in the picture below. The small corrosion cells are essentially circuit galvanic cells in the picture below. Pitting and surface corrosion are forms of flagellate corrosion that are significant cause of component failure in metal parts. But forms of corrosion can occur on passive metals or otherwise protected materials. Uniform corrosion. Original corrosion is a corrosion process exhibiting uniform tanning that process with applicable opposite attack. Intergranular or easy corrosion is the preferential dissolution of the anodic component. The grain body paste or the zones immediately adjacent to the term used easily with a side or negligible attack on the main body of the grains. Pitting corrosion. Pitting characteristic base of the vanadals is one of the most insidious forms of corrosion. It can cause failure by perforation while producing only a small weight loss on and the metal. The perforation can be difficult to detect and is core weapon, leading to an aspectic loss of function of the component. Gravity corrosion is fitting the occurs is loss and in gaps and metal to metal and metal to non-metal interface. The mechanism is the development of a concerted corrosion cells. An example of corrosion with type 304 stainless steels. In the picture below, stress corrosion cracking or SCC is defined as cracking under the combined action of corrosion and tensile stress. Stress may be applied externally or internally. Usually, an classic example of SCC in the picture below, failure of the branch cantex as was due to what is sometimes called seasonal cracking. The only requirement for SCC in the presence of combination of tensile stress on the surface of the metal and the critical environment of, for example, shows the classic pattern of stress corrosion, breaking in type 316 Luther stainless steels. Corrosion fatigue is caused by weapon of or fluctuating in a corrosion environment. Fatigue leaves is another sort. The wall explains if the soil was with either derivative of corrective fatigue or corrosion in environment. In many cases, fatigue is initiated from small pits or cord shafts that are stabilizers in the picture below. Selective leaching. In selective leaching, an elements is removed from an early drop corrosion. The most common example is desertification or the role of leaching from glass. State current corrosion is an electrochemical process. Corrosion can be influenced by electric potential. State corrosion or state current electrochemicals is different from natural corrosion because it is caused by an externally induced electrical current and is basically independent of factors such as oxygen concentration and pH. The stack current problem solved in the picture below was corrected by statically connecting the tank and pipelines by an isolate bus connection and by installing a second array in the picture below B. That's what evolved and the tank were produced with the static current effects. Corrosion prevention or mitigation. Although corrosion is a chemically prevention process, it can be destroyed by creating the oxidation reaction of an electrical cell. The difficulty it is complexity. For example, exploiting the corrosion exposed condition of metallic pavement networks requires an understanding of various failure conditions such as side types, so pH, stray currents effects, and electrical continuum. Corrosion interpreters. A corrosion interprets of substance that, when added in small amounts to a corrosion medium, reduces its corrosivity and aqueous system. Chemical treatment or interpreters can be used for corrosion control in aqueous environments. Interpreters are defined as chemical substance or combination of substances that, when Present in the environment present of reduced corrosion with a significant reduction with the components of the environment. An example of the principle is the use of antifreezes in cars. Cooling system contain dismal metals such as glass, iron, aluminum, copper, brass, tin, lead, solder, and steel. Cathodic protection. The two types cathodic protection are subcritical anodic protection and embraced current protection. The pure example of zinc and iron in acid is example of cathodic protection with subcritical anodic. Anodic protection is based of the phenomenon of opacity. A limited number of metals such as stainless steel can achieve opacity. Anodic protection requires that the potential of the metal be controlled. Control of pH and corrosion with four-base diagrams. Controlling pH is another meaning of lowering corrosion rates and is a common practice in some applications, such as manicable and industrial water applications. The iron four-base diagram is indivisible and illustrates the possibility for multiple states corrosion in active steels, festivity, and immunity. Okay, that's all the material I can convey. Thank you, Om Sampai Sansetyom. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam budaya, salam kebajikan.